Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Zimbabwean football legend Peter Nsukuzonke Ndlovu has set social media abuzz after photos of his stylish outfit at a local match went viral. The former Warriors captain was pictured wearing a green and white checkered shirt, ripped white jeans, a green cape and matching sneakers. The look drew hundreds of comments from fans who praised the 52-year-old for maintaining a youthful and trendy fashion sense. Yeah, Peter knows how to dress than most footballers, said Kulakwashe Murombo. Another fan, Washington Kupe, commented, "Dress to kill Zonke. Wawubongani Ntaba ethi 2000s don't come close when it comes to drip." Some supporters linked his fashion to his international career. He was in UK and South Africa for a long time. To him, this is normal dressing, noted Louis Muronda. Others defended his right to dress as he pleases. As long as he ain't walking naked, the dress code is a choice, said Matondo. Age is just a number and one is as old as it thinks, posted Zim. Ndlovu, Zimbabwe's first Premier League player, continues to be celebrated both for his football legacy and his influence off the pitch. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.